From sustainably managed forests, the journey of our premium toilet paper begins. From rugged logs to refined wood, the journey to unparalleled softness begins. The journey begins as raw timber makes its way to the state-of-the-art manufacturing plant. From wood chips, a pristine pulp begins to emerge, ready for purification. The journey continues as the pure cellulose pulp moves towards the next stage. Powerful water jets intensely clean the dark pulp, eliminating impurities and beginning its transformation. Skilled American workers diligently oversee the purification, ensuring only the purest pulp continues to the next stage. From refined pulp, the first delicate sheet of pristine paper begins its formation, a testament to meticulous process. The journey begins as raw pulp enters the sophisticated elemental chlorine-free bleaching process. Skilled American workers ensure precision at every step, meticulously overseeing the complex transformation. The pulp emerges, transformed into a brilliant white, ready for the next crucial stage of production. The journey of paper begins as diluted pulp. Inside the headbox, the slurry is evenly prepared before its transformation into paper. As the wire moves, water drains and fibers begin to interlock, shaping the future sheet. Fibers bond tightly, shedding water and gaining strength as the paper sheet emerges. The fragile web takes shape, each fiber meticulously aligning to form the nascent paper sheet. Powerful rollers expertly press out excess water, compacting the fibers into a stronger sheet. Water cascades into collection systems, recycled and reused, ensuring efficient operations. Through precision engineering, the paper sheet gains strength and texture, ready for the next stage. From wet fibers to a strong sheet, the transformation is a testament to advanced manufacturing. On the colossal Yankee dryer, the wet sheet instantly transforms, gaining its signature softness. Once dry, the paper gently peels away, revealing its perfected, ultra-soft texture. The delicate crepe texture, crucial for comfort and absorbency, is now perfectly formed. High-speed rollers transform the paper into massive parent rolls. Skilled workers meticulously monitor every detail, ensuring flawless production. Precision adjustments guarantee the perfect tension and structure of each roll. Constant quality checks ensure only the finest product advances. Precision begins as multiple rolls of pristine paper are gently unwound, ready for transformation. Skilled hands ensure every detail, as quality is meticulously monitored throughout the process. The transformation is complete as multiple plies merge, creating a visibly thicker, luxurious product. From a distance, The converting line hums with activity, a symphony of precision and efficiency. Expertise in action. A precise adjustment maintains the flawless production flow. Every strand of the soft, pristine paper is perfectly prepared for its journey ahead. Precision rollers press delicate designs, enhancing both texture and strength. This crucial process bonds the layers, creating a stronger, softer product. Skilled hands perform quality checks, ensuring every roll meets high standards. From plain sheets to beautifully patterned paper, quality is maintained. The meticulous embossing ensures quality and consistency in every finished product. Precision blades create exact perforations for effortless tearing. Skilled operators meticulously monitor every step, ensuring flawless production. The paper rapidly spins, forming dense, perfectly uniform logs of toilet paper. American operators deftly oversee intricate machines, ensuring every log meets stringent standards. Once complete, the logs are cleanly cut and prepared for individual roll processing. Operators conduct final checks, affirming the superior quality of each roll. Precision cutting begins, transforming large logs into perfectly sized rolls with expert accuracy. From logs to rolls, each segment is now a perfectly sized individual toilet paper roll. Perfectly cut rolls now move onward, a testament to efficiency and precise manufacturing. Robotic arms meticulously group individual rolls, ensuring perfect alignment for packaging. The grouped rolls seamlessly enter the wrapping machine, where plastic packaging awaits. Robotic precision ensures each package unit is perfectly stacked, optimizing space for shipment. At the final inspection line, skilled workers ensure every package meets the highest quality standards. Any package not meeting specifications is carefully removed to maintain product excellence. Automated systems efficiently organize and pack the finished products, ready for shipment. Robotic precision ensures every case of toilet paper is perfectly stacked for transport. Completed pallets are then ready for their silent journey through the automated warehouse. Through vast aisles, these intelligent vehicles ensure seamless internal logistics. Skilled operators ensure precise and efficient loading of every shipment. Every detail is checked to guarantee safe transport of the finished goods.
All right, easy back now. Hold it right there.
Ready for distribution, the final product embarks on its journey to consumers. The finished product reaches its destination, ready for shelves. Efficiency ensures products are swiftly prepared for display. With expert precision, each pack is artfully positioned, transforming the shelf into an inviting display.